Here's one of my personal all-time favorite research tools when it comes to finding amazing creators, amazing content, and also auditing your own creative. Hey guys, Max Finn here, digital marketer's TikTok marketing expert, back with another video in this series. Really excited to share a tool. I love tools, love software, free, paid, anything that gives me an edge over the competition. And one of my favorite tools right now in TikTok is called Talk Audit. This is a Chrome extension that you can use where basically you can go to any TikTok profile. You can select filters by likes, comments, shares, views, specific time windows, last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, all time. And in real time, the page is going to reload, filtering the page, filtering the TikToks by those variables, by the most liked. And then you can export it in a CSV. It's going to break all the metrics out. So that way you can go to like, here's the top 10 creators that are in my industry, the top 10 fitness creators, the top 10 health and wellness creators, top 10, doctors, nurses, foodies, whoever it might be, gadget people. You're going to create a list of them, go to their profiles, run Talk Audit on them. It's going to give you the best videos in the last 7 days, last 30 days, run the export. Now you can give that to your creative team. They can go through, here's all the best videos from all the best people that my target audience is following and watching their content. And I can use that to model and inspire my organic content and my paid content. This is a huge, huge game changer for you both organically and paid on the platform. All right, we got one more video and I saved the best for last. This is one of my favorite strategies for 10xing the number of content you create on TikTok.